Hello and welcome to our new video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove PayPal from your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. Start by navigating to the Sales Channels section and select Online Store. Next, click on Themes. Near the Customize button, you'll find three dots. Click on these. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Code. In the code editor, use the search bar to look for files ending with .liquid. Open the template.liquid file, or a similar file where the payment button code resides. Once the file is open, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to bring up the Find text box. In this box, type in Payment button to search for the relevant code snippet. When you find the code for the PayPal button, you'll need to comment it out. This is typically done by enclosing the code snippet within comment tags. After commenting out the code, you have effectively removed the PayPal button from your Shopify store. Remember to save your changes. Your store's checkout process should now proceed without offering PayPal as a payment option. The link to Shopify is in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.